Here we are going to discuss about the sine values. Okay, before that, let's recall what is a sine indicates. Okay, when we consider about an angle inside a triangle, okay, this is our hypotenuse, which is opposite to our right angle. Then when we consider this side, okay, this side with respect to this particular angle, this one indicated as opposite side, the side which is near to the indicated angle can be classified as adjacent side. Okay, to find the sine value, sine alpha. Okay, to find sine alpha, we have to write the relationship between opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, we have to divide the opposite side by using hypotenuse to get its respective sine values. Okay, we know how to find sine values regarding the triangle parts. We studied those parts earlier. Now we are going to look at about sine table. That means in trigonometric ratios we studied the sine, cos, tan values. Okay. Under that topic, in trigonometric tables, we are going to find sine values. For that, in your logarithmic book, okay, logarithmic book, you have to open the pages with the heading Natural Science. Okay, you should open this page, Natural Science. Okay, you will have a side which is indicated as Natural Science. Okay, for that, okay. Another thing, you should remember that 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. Okay, we studied this one earlier also. 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. That means the 1 degree was divided into 60-minute measurements. Okay, 60-minute measurement. That's what indicated in here. You should understand this relationship because this is the relationship we are using throughout this sine, cos, tangent values to identify some particular angles. So this is a key concept in this trigonometric tables. 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. Okay. Then let's find some values in sine table. Okay, sine table. For that, for an example, okay, for your reference, I'll show sine table. Okay, in here, okay, in here, our degrees were indicated. Something like 40 degrees, 41 degrees, 42 degrees, 43 degrees, likewise up to down. That means in vertically the degree angles were indicated. Horizontally, okay, in horizontally, that means in row manner we will have our minutes measurements. Okay, minutes measurements. That means here we'll have 0 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Likewise 40 degrees, 50 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay. Then after you can see another column which is dedicated to mean difference. Okay, mean difference. Okay, mean difference. In that column you can see 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree until 9 degrees. You will have some measurements 1 degrees to 9 degrees. Okay, this is the way you can see. Okay, you can see your sine table. Okay, in sine table, when I ask you to find sine 42 degrees. Okay, this is our question. My question is to find sine 42 degrees. For that, first of all, you have to take the page which indicates sine. Okay, natural sines. Okay, you should look at your sine table. Mostly students will face these difficulties. They can't understand how to find natural sines. Okay, natural tangents, cosines and logarithmic tables, some square root tables, all of those are combined in a book. Okay, they will got confused while dealing with sine, tan, cos values. For that, don't panic. Open your pages where you can see these natural sines, that page which is dedicated to sine values. That's all the thing. Then let's find sine 42 degrees. For that, in columnar way, okay, in columnar way we have to look at this one, and in row 42. Okay, that means 42 degrees 0 minutes. Here you can see there is no any minute measurements indicated here. That's why we are looking at 42 degrees and 0 minutes. At this place, you will have a decimal value. Okay, decimal value. Something like 0.755. Likewise, you will have some values. Okay, for your explanation only, I use that value. Naturally, you will have a decimal value in here. That is going to be our sine 42 degrees. How we found our sine 42? In degree measurements, we have to look this 42, sine 42 column, and in minute measurements, there is no any minutes indicated here. So that should be 0 degrees. Okay, 0, 42 degrees and 0 minutes. This is the way you should find. Then let's see sine 43 degrees and 40 minutes. Okay, we are going to find the magnitude for sine 43 degrees and 40 minutes. For that, what do we need to do? We have to think about this row and this column. That means sine 43. That means in row, you should consider about this 43 degrees. And in minute measurement, there is a sub measurement you can see. That is 40. So 40 means in column way you will have a 40-degree measurements. Okay, where is the place the 42, 43 degrees and this 40 minutes intersects? You should find that particular region. That point, okay, that place. At that place you will have a value. That value belongs to sine 43 degrees and 40 minutes. That's all. Okay. There is no any confusions. Very, very easy thing. Then finally, let's do one more question. For that, let's use sine. Okay, I'll write here. Sine 40 degrees and 33 minutes. Okay, 40 degrees, 33 minutes. Before starting to find the sine value, you should separate these magnitudes into degree measurement and 10 multiple minutes and mean differences. In previous cases, we didn't face any questions related to mean differences. In this question, we have. Okay, let's see. So, sine 40 degrees means 40 degrees plus 30 minutes plus 3 degrees. We can split up like this. Sine 40 degrees, that means this is our sine 40 degrees. And 30 minutes, that means sine 40 degrees 30 minutes. That's easy task. Okay, that's very easy task. We found this particular value. With that, there is another additional 3 now. This additional 3 is indicating our mean value. Okay, mean differences. In mean difference, in the same row, you should consider about the mean difference 3. Okay, you will have a small value. Okay, which is 2 or 3 or 5. Likewise, there is a small value. In this particular value, here you found a value. No? Here you will found a decimal value. With that, you have to add this particular value. For an example, when I take, wait, so here in your table you can see sine 40 degrees and 30 minutes. Okay, 40 degrees and 30 minutes. That means that is indicating 0.6. I'll raise here 0.6494. 0.6494. This is our sine 40 degrees and 30 minutes measurement. With that, we have to in the same row. In the same row, you should look your third mean difference. What is our third mean difference here? Sine 40 degrees. Okay, here which is indicated as 7. Okay, which is indicated as 7. Very, very easy thing. The thing, what do we need to do? So we split up the total angle into some sub portions. 40 degrees, 30 minutes and 3 minutes. Likewise, we found our respective values 0.6494 and 7 is our mean difference. With the 0.6494, you should add the mean difference from its last. Okay, don't add the 7 here or in between somewhere. Okay, mean difference is somewhere a very very small minute value. Okay, very very small minute value. So with the last digit of the respective degree and minute measurement. Okay, these are 10 multiple minutes. No, 10 multiple minutes. With that, you should add the mean difference with its last digit. So when you add, you will receive 11, then here 0, 5, 6. So your answer for sine 40 degrees and 33 minutes should be equals to 0.6504. Okay, task is very easy. We found this value and with that we just added the mean difference. That's the 0.650401. That's all for our answer for this sine table. Okay.